Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And in our previous lecture we studied about playing with numbers, and today we will start our lecture 2. In that I will explain you about kinds of brackets, exercise number 2. I hope you all have completed exercise 2a. So today we will learn something about kinds of brackets. Kinds of brackets. You all have studied about brackets. Now I would like to show you how many types of brackets are there. This is known as big bracket. And this is known as curly bracket. This is known as small bracket. And this is known as line bracket. Line bracket. So you must know about this, that which bracket you have to solve first of all. So whenever you get any simplification, you have to solve first of all line bracket at first, the second is small bracket, then curly bracket, then big bracket. Okay, now I will show you some examples. Example number 7, see page number 28. Your example is simplify 48 divided by 16 minus 4 plus 4 line bracket. So in this, first of all you have to see what is given. 48 divided by 16 minus 4 plus 4, that is in line bracket. So according to this BODMAS rule, first of all you have to solve the line bracket. So line bracket is given here. So 4 plus 4, 16. Now 48 divided by 16 minus 8. Now see, there it is given small bracket. Now you have to solve the small bracket. 16 minus 8, that is 8. 48 divided by 8, that's it. Then now divide it. Its answer is 6. Now example number 2. Minus 20 plus curly bracket 50 minus 40 minus 10. Now in this you have to see that line bracket is not given here, so you have to start from the small bracket. So now see here, 100 minus 20 plus curly bracket you have to write as it is, big bracket also you have to write as it is. Now 50 minus, you have to solve the small bracket. Here it is given 40 minus 10, that is 30, as it is put. Then 100 minus 20 plus 50. Now open this small bracket, minus 30, then curly bracket, then big bracket. 100 minus 20 plus, now you have to solve third one, curly bracket, that is 20 for 50 minus 30, that is 20. Now big bracket. Now 100 minus 20 minus 20, you have to put here plus 20 divide, and that is 100 is your answer. Sorry, it is plus 20. Here you will get 40. Your answer is 60. Now we will start our exercise questions. These all examples you no need to solve in your notebook, classwork copy. These all are given already in your textbook. It is just for explanation. See, we will start our exercise. Exercise 2B. 70 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 of 10 minus 60 divided by 6. First of all, here I want to say that here of means you have to remember, of means that is multiply. Okay. Now we will change this of into multiply, that is 70 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 10 minus 60 divided by 6. Now as you know your BODMAS rule, we have to first of all divide it. That is 70 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 10 minus 10. Now see, you have to multiply it. 70 plus 10 plus 30 minus 10. Now add 70 plus 10, that is 80. 80 plus 10, 100. 10 minus 10, that is 100 is your answer. This rule you have to note in your notebook. Okay, according to this you have to solve the questions. See question number 2. 7 plus 12 minus 8 plus 3 minus 9 of 6 plus 1 minus 13 into 4. Now here, see line bracket is not given here, small bracket is given, of is given, of you have to interchange into multiply. Now see 7 plus 12 minus 8 plus 3 minus 9 into 6 plus 1 minus 13 into 4. Curly bracket, then big bracket. 7 plus 12 minus 8 plus 3 minus. Now see, first of all multiply this. 9 into 6, 54 plus 1 minus 13 into 4, 52. 7 plus, now see we have to solve the small bracket. 8 plus 3 minus 54 plus 1, that is 55, minus 52. 7 plus 12 minus 8 plus 3 minus, your answer is here 3. Now you have to bracket your, you have to open your bracket. Now see 7 plus 12 minus, open the bracket, then 8 plus 3 minus 3, that is it will divide if we will open the bracket. Then 7 plus 12 minus, open the bracket, 8, that is, now 7 plus 12 minus 8, that is 4. So your answer is 11. Okay. So 4 questions are remaining that you have to do yourself. C, D, E and F. If you have any doubt, I will explain it in our next class. Just ask something if you don't understand in the examples, in kinds of brackets, and any question if you don't understand, please message in group. Okay. And if you want to see any of my previous video, you can see in our YouTube channel. I have sent you link. Most of the students didn't see it, so you can see in our YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you.